Welcome! In today's video, we'll go over how to mute a specific phrase on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature is perfect if you want to avoid seeing certain words, topics, or discussions show up in your notifications or feed. Let's get started. First, open x.com on your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the left sidebar and click on the More icon. This icon opens up a menu with several options for your account settings and preferences. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where all your privacy, content control, and safety preferences are managed. Inside the Privacy and Safety section, scroll down and choose Mute and Block. This is where X lets you manage blocked accounts, muted notifications, and muted words. Now, click on Muted Words. Here, you can see any phrases or keywords you've muted before or add new ones anytime. To add a new phrase, press the plus icon in the upper right corner of the page. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the phrase you want to mute. Type in the word or phrase exactly as you want it muted. Then, fill out the fields below. Under Mute From, you can choose where you want it applied, whether in your home timeline, notifications, or both. Next, set the duration. You can choose to mute the phrase for 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or permanently. Once everything looks right, click on Save. Your selected phrase will now be muted automatically according to your preferences. From now on, you won't see posts containing that phrase in the areas you selected. That's it. You've successfully muted a phrase on X's web version using the latest update. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.